This is how you know Malaysians love their food.
Oh, this is posh.
We feel really, really welcomed at this event already. They've got rendang.
That was a feast.
This is embarrassing.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're Disappear for Days. Today we are here at the Melilea headquarters in Bangsar South to experience our very first open house event here in Malaysia.
So we're really excited for this today. We saw it advertised online about a week or so ago. So we got in contact with them, thought we'd come down and see what it's all about. We're not too sure how this system works. There's a bunch of chairs laid out and there was just some drumming that was going on just then. We're going to hopefully approach someone and they'll be able to tell us what to do.
So, register here. We started food for eating like 11 until 12. So you can free walk around.
Okay, so we've registered, we've got our little like ticket things, and the girl said that we could just have a little wander around for a bit. And then food apparently is going to be served at 11 AM, so we are very excited about that bit.
So we've got some free drinks here, which looks good.
Oh, this is pear, honeysuckle, jujube, honey and acerola. I don't know what a lot of those things are. Apple and soy milk.
It all sounds very healthy.
What do you like?
I want some apple juice, please.
I've got some soy milk. Oh yeah, that's good.
The apple juice. Oh, that's very sour for an apple juice. It tastes very healthy. It's definitely got more than just apple juice in it. You can definitely tell there's some other flavours there as well. It's really refreshing. It's almost like a lemon drink, how refreshingly sour it is.
We are from actually today 10 o'clock until 3 p.m. Yeah, so the food will be served by 11 o'clock.
Okay.
After this. So it's a tradition food like a satay and all these Malaysian type of foods. And then 12 o'clock we have an event with the founder of Melilea. This entire building is Melilea. Melilea is a Malaysian company, local company. They're doing organic farming. We'd like to bring you to have a visit.
Yeah, thank you.
The International Business Award in 2011. This awards, in fact, for the international for business is need have a high credibility. Our Dato founder, Dr. Alan, he win one of this top prize. But
wow.
His wife, Dato Stella Chin, he won 4 of this prize. He's doing the woman empowerment. He helping all those single mother. Yeah, essential oil. We actually make the bottle manufacture in Malaysia.
Oh, right.
We actually import the oil, pure extract oil from the overseas, and then we come here and then we're bottling in here.
Right.
Yeah, so we can make the price to be more affordable for the people's.
Giving it a bit of a go?
Yeah, why not? It's like really sweet kind of smells, but not like sickly sweet. It's like a nice kind of, oh, you get something in your mouth.
Yeah, it smells nice.
Rose garden. I just want to try it all.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Amy.
Amy. Oh, that's a nice name.
This one my Kawaii.
Huh?
Kawaii.
Kawai.
Yes.
His name. Is he your
Puting.
Puting? Is he your brother?
No.
No. She was so friendly.
My name is Emma.
Emma.
Emma, yeah. I like this message.
Oh, what's this thing for? Do you check your face with it? Maybe it checks your skin profile or something like that.
Oh, yeah, there's mirrors inside it, and then there's an iPad on the other side. So whether it's something about taking a photo and then... I'm probably completely wrong.
Oh, I know.
I'm clear about stuff like this. Oh, they do makeup as well. Oh, they've got different shades. Red wine, red velvet and misty rose. That sounds like a nice colour. Oh, this is posh.
So this is the Melilea Elite Lounge. Yeah.
Because this looks really nice.
They did say that we could explore though, didn't they, up to floor 9.
Sit here and have a little cocktail.
Cocktail? I don't think they're serving cocktails in here. I think they're serving healthy drinks. Oh, there's another side to it. I didn't see this when we walked in. I have to say, everyone has been so friendly. Not only the staff that we've met, but even the people just wandering around upstairs. They've been so friendly and they've all asked us like where we've come from and why we're here and everything. We feel really, really welcomed at this event already. And I guess that's the kind of spirit of Raya and the spirit of the open houses, where you just kind of invite everyone and everyone just kind of celebrates together.
Where are you from?
England.
Oh, very good. Let us come for holiday.
We're travelling. So we've just joined the queue. It is definitely picked up in terms of people.
Yeah, we've been upstairs for like 20 minutes or so. We've come back and it's absolutely rammo now.
Yeah, this is how you know Malaysians love their food. When the food comes out, that's when everyone appears. So this looks like not your normal rice. It looks like it's got a lot of veg in it, like different bits of shredded carrots, maybe some peppers or something. They've got rendang. I'm pretty sure this is rendang at least. Oh, it's got like so much charringness on it, it's so good. Oh, excuse me, could I have some ketupat as well, please?
What?
Yes, please.
You want?
Yeah, that's good, thank you very much. Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Right, we're at the desserts, but my hands are full.
I was going to say, I feel like we've already got quite a big plate as it is.
Just want to get some.
They've got some seri muka.
Oh, this is removal, you know.
Seri muka, yeah.
You want me to put it for you?
Oh, yes, please. Oh, we have no hand.
You can use this one.
Okay,
We haven't had roti jala since we go to the bazaar,
yeah.
and this is very good.
I'm so excited for this. We've grabbed a plate full and then we've got a couple of bits for dessert as well. Okay, so I'm going to try some of the beef rendang. This is the thing that I'm looking forward to the most out of all of this. Oh, the flavours in it are so good. It's such a good mix and there's a slight spiciness to it as well. None of the flavours are overpowering. It's all just like mixing really, really well together and giving it that classic rendang taste. And I'm so glad we've managed to try rendang, because if anyone saw our last video, we went to go and try at Lamang, and yeah, let's just say it caused a bit of controversy. So go watch that video if you haven't already.
You like a food?
Very good. Very nice.
I feel like it's so nice that even companies hold these events. Obviously, it's partly to do with, you know, marketing, but in terms of just feeding the community, like I said earlier, just kind of sharing the spirit of Raya and the spirit of kind of giving back and giving back to the community. It's really nice that companies do this.
Well, that was a feast. We're now going to head upstairs for the event. Oh, wow. We look forward to seeing your dance. Good luck, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. See you soon. Bye.
That was pretty good.
Hari ini adalah hari bertuah anda ya.
Oh, so everyone's standing now. I'm assuming this is where the owner is coming in.
Berikan satu tepukan yang sangat-sangat gemuruh kepada dan kami bertutup ke Selamat gemuruh kepada penari-penari yang dibawakan khas dari SK Bangsa.
Selamat tengah hari dan salam sejahtera saya ucapkan kepada Yang Berbahagia Datuk Profesor Dr. Stella Chin, Co-Founder Executive President Melilea International Group Company.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, berikan satu tepukan yang sangat gemuruh kepada Yang Berbahagia Datuk Profesor Ella atas ucapan yang sangat berbalas sebentar tadi. Okey.
Malaysia is so good, okay? I still travel to my country. Malaysia is the best country. We love our country. Anyway, today I'm so happy to celebrate Hari Raya with you. Thank you so much for sharing with you and then send my love to you all.
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Yang
kerana sakit disebabkan oleh terlebih makan. Kita puasa, kanser akan mati.
Datuk Ellen dan Yang Berbahagia Datuk Stella di atas penyampaian yang tadi.
Kalian telah mendapat pakaian yang terbaik. Berikan tepukan yang gemuruh kepada keluarga tersebut. Membuatkan dia mendapat pemenang sebagai hari ini.
They're doing the raffle right now, and I don't actually know what numbers we've got with the match one. I'm just waiting for it to stand up.
0043. Ada punya nomornya
0926 8951.
Oh, I thought that was Emma. Everyone where they're pointing is where Emma's at.
05.
Okey.
Oh, this is embarrassing. Oh no.
Usaha ini dapat dengan Mr. Jacob, dia dapat hadiah pula. Beri tepukan gemuruh. Ya, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tahniah tahniah.
Oh my word.
How embarrassed do you feel right now?
Oh my word.
I'm very embarrassed for you.
Raya Aidilfitri, yeah. Hoping all of you always healthy and of course unlimited opportunity success. Thank you. Bye.
0361.
Right, we're lining up to get our powerhouse. Excited.
Dari dalam kita dengan barang boleh
Thank you so much. Thank you. Right, our first open house.
Yeah, that was such an experience. There were so many emotions during it. and so much excitement. It was a really good time.
I'm not sure if it was what I expected. I think it was much more than I expected. I knew that we were going to get like the Malaysian hospitality that we used to. I knew we were going to be welcomed. I knew we were going to get kindness. I knew that people were going to be happy to see us and welcome us into the event, but it was so much more than that, wasn't it? Like the Malaysian dances and the karaoke and obviously all of the amazing food. It was, like you say, such an experience and so lovely to take part in, meeting so many lovely people.
Yeah.
Everyone was just so welcoming and kind. We hardly were on our own, were we? Because
No.
every time we turned around, somebody would come and talk to us or
Yeah.
come and sit with us or say, oh, come and sit here. So lovely.
Yeah, it's really wholesome. As you said, you can almost expect that from Malaysians because Malaysian hospitality is just unmatched. But at the same time, it's never really expected, or we don't come to these things and go, oh, everyone should be welcoming us.
But they always are.
And I was going to say, and when they do, it's just so nice because we just think we're going to be there, we're just going to kind of experience it ourselves. But the amount of people that help us to experience it and really like welcome us in and like help us get involved in it, because if we're not necessarily in the thick of it, they'll be like, come on, get involved.
And I think that's the thing, we don't always know what's going on. A lot of the talks and stuff were in Malay today, and we had like Google Translate on our phone trying to kind of figure out what was being said. But it didn't matter because everyone kept telling us what was going on and saying, oh, you need to go and do this now. It was so lovely, above and beyond what we could have expected.
Yeah, and we got a little hamper with it.
Yeah, I can't believe we won. That's
I know.
so exciting.
I know.
Got a load of snacks to have now. I'm well chuffed with that.
Yeah.
And we got a little gift when we left as well, I think with some like free samples and stuff in it and an ang pao.
Such generosity.
Yeah, what a lovely day.
Yeah.
So we're going to end it there. We're going to go home and get this video edited so that we can get it up for you as soon as possible.
And we'll see you in the next video. Selamat Hari Raya, everyone. Bye.